Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset all autoplay settings to default in Windows 10. Click search bar and type Control Panel. Click Control Panel. Click View by small icons. Click Autoplay. Scroll down the mouse. Click Reset All Defaults. Click Save. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.